Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with CrowdStreet to evaluate sponsor track records, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the CrowdStreet website at www.crowdstreet.com. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Fill out the required fields to create your account. Make sure to use a valid email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the registration form, check your email for a verification link. Click on the verification link to activate your CrowdStreet account. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Navigate to the Marketplace section to explore available investment opportunities. Use the search function to find specific sponsor track records you're interested in. Select a sponsor to view their profile. Within the sponsor profile, you'll find key metrics and performance data. Take note of historical performance, including previous investments and returns. Review any recent updates or news related to the sponsor. Check for transparency in past project successes and failures. Evaluate the sponsor's overall investment strategy and focus areas. Consider geographical preferences and asset classes prioritized by the sponsor. Use the comparison tools on CrowdStreet to juxtapose different sponsors. Make an informed decision based on your thorough evaluation. Once you've settled on a sponsor of interest, look for the subscription options. Select the appropriate subscription tier that suits your investment needs. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and finalize your subscription. Monitor your inbox for confirmation of your subscription and any additional resources provided. Regularly check your CrowdStreet account for updates on your chosen sponsors and investment opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.